So now let us see for the plumbing. Let me create one new product. New product and choosing the plumbing template and press OK. I can close this system door for now. No need. So here I can draw some walls. So some for that, let me place some closets and wash basin in system tab under the plumbing fixtures. I'm going to the closets. Here, water closet is there. So I can use later my I will space, plan, maybe vertical face. Vertical face is the wall face. Okay, this is a wall and I'm placing it exactly at the wall. Okay, okay. So I just planned roughly, not accurately. Yes. Okay. Now we place the closet and for the sink also I can place it outside the plane. Yeah, okay. That's going to this size. We are going to move it along here. Okay. So now we can provide the issue. Also, I can place this is how we can place the closet at the center portion. That's now okay, fine. Let me go this one. Go to 3D. So, reduce the height. I can't able to select any elements, so I can change the discipline into architectural. Now I can able to select everything. We can Give the top box to level 1. Now it can say okay, this wash basins need to be placed at maybe one of feet. So make use some tools. Default elevation I have to provide around it. Yeah, do it. You can be 6 inches. Can be already 16. So till this plumbing which are not placing exactly. So I create one image first. Create similar at the same area and it has duplicate to set it off distance for that flow to register thickness because it's still 300. Okay, and 3D can able to see here. Now if I click this one, it first, it has to be low. So is okay with the place and then put something to can give the product. Things okay. Now I change the discipline to the plumbing again. So it to this plan and moving the section here. Go to the view. With this closet here, there is two options. One is for the cold water and the one is for the sanitary output. Right click, draw a pipe. It will create one pipe for the sanitary output. We can go to a plan. Here, can go up to here. The same for this one also. This one is in the section here. Go to the section. This one. This pipe is too much bigger. So we can change here. Give the fine to check. This one is fine only. For this also I need to add it. So if I go back into that one, I can prove it. Now auto route is done. And this pipe to be flowed downwards. So to now let us do the cold water pipelines. Going to the closet again. Go to the view. Click on the closet. Here draw a pipe. Draw the pipe. Here it was asking cold water or hot water. So I want cold water only. Second preview. domestic water output, dry pipe, out direction flow out, sanitary, so it, connected. Okay. This closet also I need the cold water out. Going to next closet, go to the wheel, clip, draw a pipe, go to the key. Let me go to the plan, rotate the section, and go to the plan again. Always use one single section. Don't create separate section for each and every pipes because it will make our file bigger and it will take lots of time to get loaded. Always be aware of it. Use the same section and with move and rotate option. So like yesterday we used the connecting flow for the mechanical element. The same we can use for this plumbing also. It's the connected flow and pick the pipe you want. It will automatically get connected. Yeah. So end cap, you can provide the end cap. If you want some inlet pipe, you need to provide the inlet pipe from the tank or a tank. You can provide it by placing some water containers. these are all heaters. If you want a heater, you can able to provide the heater for the clothes, for the wash basin. But I need can also need this how we can draw a pipes. Uh, but the thing is, we have to provide the slopes for each and every pipe. This since these are all plumbing pipes, we have to provide the slopes manually. And to provide the slope, we can click the pipe. We can able to see can slope. So we can do the length here. Yeah, slope, slope. percentage is around maybe actually 380. So the slope will get applied with wherever we want to provide the slope, we can provide it as per that. Only for the sanitary pipes and other expensive pipes. For the water pressure pipes, most probably the slopes will be not required for the fire pipes and the pressure pipes. So other than the pressure pipes, we have to provide the slopes manually. So yes, it will ask the slope value, and we can able to provide slope value from here maybe. Also, we can able to reach the slope. We adjust this one endpoint and the feed here and there. The slope will also get changed. So based on the our requirement, for one is the ratio, we can able to always change whatever the pipe is, we can able to adjust the slopes. And also we can able to add insulations or other elements involved in that. So these are all the plumbing uh, things we have to get understand how to draw pipe and how to do slope and how to segregate um, sanitary separate and cold water and hot water separately. If you place a hot water heater, then there will be some two separate outputs from there. We can able to get cold water separately and hot water separately. And using those outlets, we can able to give the hot water for the Washbasins also in another output like here. There is a hot water outlet inside. Okay, fine. Today we have gone through lots of things from electrical to plumbing, from adding electrical devices and electrical equipments and electrical circuits and paneling and lighting fixtures, placing of lighting fixtures, assigning and generating schedules for the paneling, the wiring of an electrical devices, and we have drawn one sub small aspects of building and placed some plumbing elements and provided sanitary and cold water and plumbing fixtures and provided some slopes and auto fittings and auto routines so we have checked, including the connecting source. So based on these two classes, we have concluded our MEP for the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And in further classes, we'll be going through Alice work on the project. And other than that, we'll be seeing the final classes for the overall on complete project. Okay.
In structure rebar in arterial.
Reboarding, we have already seen that in storage. We haven't seen that. Previous classes, I saw one reboarding fixtures. We haven't gone through reboarding. And we'll see in live classes. So for the we'll do the project, right? Final project. And that class we'll see almost everything. Whether if you guys have any doubt, uh, get a note and let me know so that I can incorporate those things in that final class, and then we'll clarify all the doubts in the final class. But for that, we'll see a nice work and the other software for the project. Okay, I'll share the schedule soon in group for the MS project and nice work. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So